If you are still grinding away on Fiverr or Upwork, editing videos for hours for client, making graphics and getting dark circle under your eyes, listening to client revision, then you are not really running a business. You are selling your time for a very cheap price. Think about it for a second. The client is paying you $50 to $100. You use your best skill, fire up After Effects and Premiere Pro and deliver as absolutely masterpiece to them. They upload that video to their own YouTube channel, and from that single video, they might make $2,000 in AdSense or sponsorship over the next year. The exact skill you are using to make someone else rich. Why are not you using that to make videos for yourself? Today I am going to show you how to stop slaving away for others and use your own skill to build a digital empire for yourself. How to start and exactly what you need. The biggest problem is mindset. When you do client work, you stay up all night just to meet deadline. But when it comes to making videos for yourself, you suddenly get lazy. Starting today, this mindset needs to change. Start treating yourself as your agency's biggest and highest paying client. Fix a strict schedule to make at least 2 videos a week for your own channel. You already know how to make a video hooking and cinematic. You have a skill that people spend thousands of dollars to learn. Stop selling it so cheap. Now let's talk about how to start. Since you are making videos for yourself, do not pick a niche where the income is low. We are going to target the Europe and US audience. Why? Because one views from their country pay roughly the same as 20 views from ours. Start with a faceless documentary or business story, finance, AI technology or wealth creation. These are the niche where advertisers put the most money. You don't even have to get in the front of the camera. You will just tell a story using your editing skill. The exact premium quality you deliver to foreign client, you will now do that for your own channel. You might be thinking, bro, I am a video editor. How do I write a script or do a professional voiceover? And where I get the high quality footage? It's very simple. You don't need a write for the script. Just give ChatGPT the right prompt and get a high retention script ready in a second. Then go straight to ElevenLabs, paste that script there and generate a completely natural professional American voiceover. And for the footage, you no longer need to spend thousands of dollars on expensive stock site. You can use AI tools like RunwayML or Pika Labs to generate hyper-realistic cinematic footage based entirely on your script. Yes, the AI itself will create original video footage for you. Your script is ready, your voice is ready, your footage is ready too. Now comes your real game. Drop the audio and the AI footage into Premiere Pro or your editing software. Use your best transition, color grading and sound design to craft the video like a Hollywood trailer. You already know how to do these things. You just need to change the delivery folder from the client drive to your own YouTube channel. I am not going to lie and tell you that thousands of dollars will start pouring in from your channel tomorrow. For the first 3 to 6 months, keep uploading consistently. But think about it after 6 months. When you have 30 high quality videos on your channel and they try to bring in a passive income every single day. Will you still need to wait around for a $500 Fiverr message from a client? If your answer is no, subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next video. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye.